Ganyan. Translate mo ha.
Who's singing? Keep singing. Oh.
This is Tagalog siya.
Ariela magta-translate. Di ko inakala darating din sa ako'y nanalangin kay Bathala na ubusan ng bakit umalis nang walang sabi? Bakit hindi siya lumaban kahit konti? Bakit hindi manitawang tadhana? At nakita kita sa tagpuan ni Bathala, may ginang sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumingin kung saan sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ang mundo. Nung ako'y itulungan, siya ang panalangin ko. At hindi mapaliwanag ang nangyari sa akin. Saksi ang lahat ng tala sa iyong panayam. Paano nasagot lahat ng bakit? Di ka maniwala sa nangyari. Paano mo naitama ang tadhana? Nung nakita kita sa tagpuan ni Bathala, may ginang sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumingin kung saan sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ng mundo. Nung ako'y itulungan at hindi ka lumayo. Nung ako'y iyong sumusubukan at nagbago ang mundo. Nung ako'y pinaglaban mo at tumigil ang mundo. Nung ako'y hinili mo, siya ang panalangin ko.
Oh, that's all.
Okay.
Michelle.
Also like a hard boiled egg.
You drink sip.
You drink it and then you eat it.
And open up a little more.
Salt.
So, and vinegar.
Vinegar.
Okay.
Spoon.
So right there.
Yeah.
Ayun na lang.
Here, you can throw the shells.
Nasa kabango nga si Argen. Nasa yung Gengen. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
You have to drink the soup because that's the nutritious
Flat part. Break part.
More? More?
Yeah. Don't touch the sesame. that's it.
Sayang, waste, don't waste it.
You know what is sip-sip? No.
Sit more, sit more.
Yeah, that. Yeah, okay. One is the next.
Brandy vinegar. Brandy vinegar. So then what do I like it though?
Yeah, the yellow part, yeah, you can yell that.
Take out some more shell,
Take out more shell here. Okay, okay.
so you can eat it properly.
And then just bite here.
Almost half. Almost half. Yeah, that's it. Oh, the cheek is small.
So eat here.
No. Put some vinegar, salt and vinegar.
Oh my god. That chick is huge.
There.
Don't look at it. Just swallow it.
Don't know the cheek. Okay. The yellow one is good.
All right.
1, 2.
Wait, so where do I bite though? Just like right here?
Yeah, just one, yeah.
Don't pick it up. Put it in your
Just
mouth.
swallow it. 1, 2.
Wait, if I can't eat the whole thing, is that fine?
Yeah,
Just
can
little
also. You
bites.
can eat the whole thing. Can. It's up to you.
Wait, shit. I got it.
Okay. Ready?
I just want to eat the shell.
Yeah.
Like the shell.
There's a stone. There's a stone there.
The white, the hard, the white,
So the white part don't eat the yellow good though.
The
yellow
yellow
the
is
white
the-
part?
Yeah.
The yellow is the most yummy one.
It's in the bottom. It's in the bottom.
The white part is this one.
Oh, don't eat this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You
okay.
can eat also.
I just eat
Also,
just
but
eat the yellow
you
part.
Eat this one last part. Okay. Put some vinegar.
Alright, Brian, come on. Scaring me. Okay.
Yeah.
What's in here?
Okay. It's a soak it with vinegar.
Okay, ready?
Alright, good.
1, 2,
Down the hatch we go.
3.
Then the yellow one is the most yummy one. How many bullets you can take?
Man, really just tastes like an egg.
Yeah, I told you.
Egg. No, that's good.
The yellow one is the most.
You don't eat this, right?
You can eat them also. But this one you eat the last part. The last part.
But it's very nutritious though. Balut is very good for you.
That wasn't bad.
Take a bite.
Yeah.
Another bite for the camera. One more bite.
Put some salt.
Hey, bite. Like mother, like daughter.
One.
Yeah.